Hi there, I'm Theresa Klunk, the Customer Support Manager at EdSmart. Over the past few months, we've been making improvements to our Help Center, and I'm really excited to share them with you and help you get the most you can out of the resources we have available. You may already be accustomed to emailing help@edsmart.com anytime you need help. Of course, you can still do that, but I would like to encourage you to visit help.edsmart.com because we have a lot of resources for you and I don't want you to miss out. First, create an account. From help.edsmart.com, click Login, then Sign Up to create an account with the Help Center. This is separate to your EdSmart account and it allows you to track support requests you've raised. You will receive an email to activate your account. Once you're in the Help Center, you will see links to our help resources. First, there's the Knowledgebase. If you have a general question about using EdSmart, you're welcome to search or browse our Knowledgebase for walkthroughs of all of our features and answers to frequently asked questions. We have built this Knowledgebase index to essentially feel like a user manual. Next is the EdSpace blog. Our blog has smart reads about EdSmart and insights from some of the thought leaders behind the platform. Subscribe to receive user tips, new features, and trending news. We also have a platform status page where you can check the status of the EdSmart platform and subscribe to alerts for any future issues. Now let's talk about raising support requests. If you haven't found what you need in our Knowledgebase or blog, you can contact support to ask a question, report a bug, request assistance, or suggest a new feature. Support requests can be created via 3 methods. First, there's the support portal. From here, you can create and view support requests, share requests with others, or view requests others have shared with you. Next is the Help widget, where you have access to help and support directly in EdSmart. Click the question icon when using EdSmart to search help articles or contact support. Finally, we have email. Sending a message to help@edsmart.com will open a support request, which can be updated via email. There are a few things to note when raising support requests. Please raise a separate ticket for each problem or request you have, so they can be directed to the right people and handled individually. If you have a problem with a specific page or feature, it's enormously helpful if you can provide details such as the web page address, the name of the slip or form, screenshots, and so forth. You will receive responses from Jira at edsmart.atlassian.net, so please allow that address through your email filters. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to assisting you in your journey with EdSmart.